really thought things would be better for my sister than they were for me. Like, people are so much more aware of bullying than they were a few years ago.
To start with, it wasn't too bad. Just a bit of teasing, mean stuff about how I looked, the way I talked in class, all things I could cope with. But then they started saying it all the time. Whenever I was around them, they'd start again. It was okay when I was at home. I could just block them online. But there was always school.
At first, we were sure it wasn't a big deal. The school told my mum it was just friendship stuff. You know, girls will be girls, that sort of thing.
I tried doing what they tell you. I told a teacher. I told lots of teachers. And to be fair, like, a few of them tried having a word. But it just meant they knew I hadn't kept my mouth shut.
But we noticed how withdrawn she was. Like, my little sister used to be the complete opposite of me. She was always talking, always something she wanted to tell us about. That just stopped, like she'd been turned off.
My mum even tried talking to the school, but they just told her that they can't control what people do outside school. It didn't matter that most of it happened in class, because some of it was online, and they said there was nothing they could do.
I was so angry. It didn't matter what we said. They didn't try to do anything. They wouldn't even pull them out of their class or move her so she didn't have to see them. Eventually, I was so mad that I ended up screaming at the teachers. That landed me in the head teacher's office.
Now I don't even try to get things to change. I just avoid school. Every night I lie awake thinking about excuses for the morning. I've managed about 2 weeks off this time, but I know Mum's going to have to send me soon.
Just because it's harder to control what kids say about each other doesn't mean they can just stop trying. It shouldn't be up to me or my sister to sort things out so she can get through the school day.
On the days when it's really bad, I just leave the school. Every time I know it puts me further behind and makes it harder to catch up. But I just don't know where else I can go anymore.